on a 500 for the first time. In the back of that Marlboro Yamaha, now I got to see it again today.
The man to talk to or ask about this
So, ladies and gents, welcome to an unplanned video, an impromptu video of this, but I thought it deserved its own kind of feature as a first look of the Pagani Codalunga. The car actually made its debut yesterday and has made its dynamic debut today at the Festival of Speed, so I thought I'd take you along and show you around this new masterpiece from the guys at Pagani. It's called the Codalunga, which means longtail in Italian, because this, yes, is a kind of bespoke commission that has a longer tail than the typical Huayra models. It was a project brought together by a couple of owners and of course Horatio Pagani. He kind of has that coach-built style with the way Pagani is run anyway, and they came together to create this as a 1 of 5 commission, already sold, so that's not a worry for him. £6 million I believe each one, and the owners have already selected theirs. This one finished in an amazing kind of satin sky blue, even the headlight inserts match that. Instead of normal kind of carbon contrast, these sort of bronze newly machined wheels looks different to the standard Huayra. Coming around to look at the interior, not much has changed with the design philosophy of the Huayra. It's still a beautiful place to be, so why would you? You've obviously got that exposed gear lever there in the middle, and then parts painted to match the rest of the paintwork on the outside, including the underside of the seats and the center console. You've actually got brown tan leather and matching leather bags. Of course, the attention to detail doesn't stop, so you've got the name of the car as well as carbon fiber inserts on that, and buckles to fasten that boot section, as well as the bonnet cover, all matching in that same leather. It's just a very special car, and I believe with all these changes, of course most of it cosmetic, it has actually reduced weight by 73 kilos in total. So 5 very lucky owners will get to enjoy this and basically stand out from the crowd. There isn't much more I wanted to say, but seeing as it was such an eye-catching car and obviously drawing a lot of attention at the Festival of Speed, I wanted to take you around and show you this car, as well as obviously showing you its driving for the first time. It's a very special project, and as usual Pagani do the most for their customers, creating all the bespoke options that you would ever really want. So yeah, what a special car, and pleasure to see it here in the flesh at the Festival of Speed.